Hi, we're Anna and Herman, and we're building our camper van.
And today we continue our series about van build, and we are going to install swivel seats. Guys, just yesterday we finally received our swivel seats. It was a challenge to find them because in Canada we have Canada Post that deliver your package but not in your address, and they could share a photo, just random house, and then Anna spent half day just running around on neighbor streets just to find the house from the photo. And finally we got our two swivel seats for passenger and for driver side. So guys, we spent some time to figure out what seats are available on the market and which one we should choose that will fit to our Ford Transit 2016. So one of our friends, he persuaded us to just buy a cheap Chinese swivel seats that actually it's good from a budget perspective, but since we are going to use these seats every day, we wanted to make sure we have a really sturdy and reliable swivel seats in our van. So we ended up ordering Scopema seats. It says made in France, and we order in Nomad Vans shop. I believe they located in BC. Actually, they had a pretty nice deal for these seats, and it was one of the main reasons why we decided to go with this option with this Scopema seats. But also that's nice to have a lot of great reviews on these seats along the internet. So guys, to remove a seat, you need to push your seat all the way back and remove two nuts in front. And then you need to do the same, but push your seat all the way forward. And you can find two nuts on the back, here and here. The next big step is remove this baby seat holder. It stays on the back of the chair, but it will be main obstacles once you try to turn your seat. So that is why I'm use this guy. Just to and attach it, just to cut it here. Once this part done, the next step will be sanding all this metal surface. And then we need to put anti-rust coating and put one more layer of paint. So for now I'm ready to show you guys a final result. So we have a little push button here. We just press it and then whole seat start its rotation. Actually it doesn't have any final position where you can hear it click or so, like once you turn it on. Let me show you from this side. But since you sit on it and you add additional weight, it's not moving so easily, so it's way smoother. So once I'm going to sit, it's almost not moving. I need to push with my legs or my hands to let it move, let it circle. But once I leave my seat empty and start like rotating, it's easily and smoothly going around till final click, and now it's stuck in driving position. I think it's a good job. I spent 1-ish hour. Unfortunately, it been a working van, so since we removed our passenger seat, it was a lot of dirt underneath. That is why we spent additional time to clean it, to vacuum, to use our brush and etc. And also we removed like seat cover that been here before. It's really old and dirty. Now it's original seat. It's rotatable, and maybe in the future we're still thinking about upholstering this seat and driver's seat, of course. But for now, I call this job done. So guys, if you are interested in content like this, if you find it helpful, it will be much appreciated if you can click subscribe button, if you can leave your comments below, and of course we will be happy to answer on any of your questions you might have in the comments below. See you in the next video.